Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon. I'm a stay-at-home mom of a little girl named Elena, and I'm bringing you inspiring cleaning motivation from my home and pouring into yours. First of all, we're going to get started by disinfecting our kitchen area. I do this every morning and every night. I'm not sure about everyone else, but I feel like I can never disinfect and clean my kitchen countertops and my stove enough. That's why I do it as much as I do, and I probably could do it even more, but doing it twice a day is enough to get me by. Next, I'm going to sanitize all of my floors downstairs. I have been looking at some wet, dry, cordless vacuums on Amazon. That's what I'm looking at to get my hands on next. I think it would make cleaning a lot easier if I had something where I could just vacuum and clean the floors all at once. I had a Bissell Crosswave, but it just did not seem to last long. It lost its suction really fast, and I did everything I could to try to get it to work back, and it just didn't work out. I don't know if it was just the one I had or because of my pets and the fur and the dander. I'm not sure, but I am looking for another cordless wet dry vacuum cleaner, but I want a cordless one, no cords. So if anyone has suggestions, if you could let me know in the comments, that would be wonderful. You're going to see me removing the gunk that has gathered along my walls at the bottom, along the shoe molding. I am just using a wooden skewer for my kitchen area, and I'm just using the bottom flat part just to try to get that gunk that has built up. Now you will see me using a Clorox disinfectant wipe to remove any dust, pet dander, or dirt that has collected in my window sills along my living area. I will be taking Tilex and I will be taking an old toothbrush to remove the dirt and gunk, any kind of water deposits or soap scum that has gathered at the bottom of my glass shower door. I'm going to try to remove that. A lot of it is hard water buildup. That's why you see me using an old toothbrush. You can also purchase a toothbrush from the Dollar Tree if you don't want, or even the Dollar General, for a brand new one that you don't want to spend a lot of money on because you know you're going to clean with. I have done that many times. And I'm going to put a tremendous amount of effort into trying to remove all of that gunk that has built up over time from our showers. What country is everyone watching from? I'm from the southern part of the United States, here in South Carolina, and I would like y'all to share where you're watching from, whether it be in this country or another. I have now sprayed my shower door down with the Tilex. I let it soak, and now I am removing that, and I'm trying to get all that soap scum and hard water stain removed to my best possible effort. I just wanted to share my new fall decor sign that I picked up from Dollar Tree that you see hanging there that says home. I normally change out the sign on my door here, on the door that leads under the stairs. It's like a storage area, but it's between our living room and our kitchen, and I usually change that out depending on the seasons and the holidays. I hope everyone enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you in the next one.